Yeah, smoke, I want smoke. Hey, Jordan.
Who on smoke? Give me the blunt, I'm ready to blaze a corpse. After the song is over, I never want haters debate no more. I ain't wanna do it, but somebody told me saying my name is war. I wanna know what drugs you taking and what do you take me for? Maybe you mad cause you ain't got buzz up in the UK no more. I heard your career just ain't what it was and you don't get paid no more. If you want a feature, nigga, just say it, but you gotta pay me for it. And after I body you, I don't want you ever saying my name anymore. I know you putting your flag on your back, now you gotta carry it. If somebody holding it down, it shouldn't be you, it's time to be serious. I know you hate being home, you come to the States and try to be arrogant. I bet you sit in your room and secretly wish that you was American. Soon as I heard your diss, was shaking my head, this shit was hilarious. Ain't even wanna respond, but niggas in London told me to take care of it. You keep on saying my name, you dig in the grave, but you gon' get buried in. Everyone back in your country looking at you like you an embarrassment. I'm about to perish him, I gotta make him respect this shit. Put that in your life, I bet this shit. You lyrically better than no one I know, not even no one in the freshman list. I love the UK, but that shit said, I really hope you ain't the best there is. Cause all of my life, I never heard nobody tell me to put in that skeptic shit. When you gon' finally accept this shit? You not on my level, don't test this shit. I know that you think it is friendly fire, but I'm not one of your friends and shit. You should've hit up your friends, little bitch. Go call up Dave and Central, bitch. For me, you gon' need the Avengers, bitch. Go tell them that Jordan is Central, bitch. Nobody cares, you was that nigga back in the days. You only poppin' in the UK, but we don't play your shit in the States.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares how many women that you played, or how many bullets that you sprayed, or who bringing you out on stage.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares if you sat with all the goats, or how many tags on your coats, or how many niggas that you know.
We don't care.
Nobody cares about how you and Drizzy are close, or how you invented UK rap, but still ain't top 10 on your coast, nigga. What makes you think it's a bright idea to swing at a nigga with stamina? You throwing jabs at punches, swinging for nothing, cause you never landed them. I heard that all of a sudden you Muslim, fucking, I'm about to go ham on them. If you a demon, well bitch, I'm a devil, I hope that you ready to dance with them. I know I probably took it somewhere that's past the level of making it right. I hope that when you respond, the record is hard and maybe you'll make it a fight. I bet as soon as you hear this shit, you probably be thinking about taking a flight. I got fans in London, but after the song, they probably gon' hit me for life. The pistol black, your face get lit, the clip is packed, so make a wish. I go to your town to take a trip, I wipe you down to take your pick. My money is blue, I'm way too rich, I make too much, like way too quick. Your music sucks, you make me sick. Pass the plate, I'm starving, what is this shit you starting? Blah, 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 send niggas up in your apartment, use your head as a target. Blah, blah, blah. I ain't that nigga to start, but I laugh at you in your garbage. Ha, 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 go to Tottenham, I'm marching, that's why I leave your carcass. Nobody cares, you was that nigga back in the days. You only poppin' in the UK, but we don't play your shit in the States.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares how many women that you played, or how many bullets that you sprayed, or who bringing you out on stage.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares if you sat with all the goats, or how many tags on your coats, or how many niggas that you know.
We don't care.
Nobody cares about how you and Drizzy are close, or how you invented UK rap, but still ain't top 10 on your coast, nigga.
নেকশে দেশে গো গেল নদীর মাঝে অগন্তরি গেল নদীর মাঝে আকাশেতে নেকশে দেশে গো আরে তোর তুফান মানে না সে দে তোর তুফান আকাশ গিরেছে কেমন কইরা ওই পার যাই আমি কেমন কইরা ওই পার যাই কি করি উপায় আমি বুঝি যারে পাই না গো তাহারে কি করি উপায় আমি মাঝি বলে মরে পেটের ক্ষুধা সইতে নারী গো ঘাটের মাঝি বলে মরে ঘাটের মাঝি বলে মরে পেটের ক্ষুধা সইতে নারী গো সন্দেশ দাও না মরে বানা সন্দেশ দাও না মোহরে সানা সন্দেশ দাও না মোরে পাপি হেলালের প্রান্ত হলে যায় কি করি উপায় আমি পাই না গো তাহারে কি করি উপায় আমি খুদিদারে পাই না গো তাহারে কি করি উপায় আমি ঘাটের মাঝি বলে মরে পেটের ক্ষুধা সইতে নারী গো ঘাটের মাঝি বলে মরে পেটের ক্ষুধা সইতে